Hi there, I'm Dr. Francesca Zampollo, and as you know, I talk about food design. Today I want to talk about food pairing, something that if you haven't already come across, you should very soon, whatever it is that you design with regards to food. Before we get into it, I want to remind you that if you're interested in food design, you should check out the online School of Food Design at onlineschooloffooddesign.org for everything that has to do with food design thinking. I have just completed my complete food design thinking methodology, which is this huge process that will bring anybody designing anything that has to do with food from zero to a final concept that has a lot of possibility to be meaningful, sustainable, and innovative. Go and check it out because there are new courses, new books, and new things going on, new things that will be coming up soon also, so go and have a look. So their website is called FoodPairing.com. And it's an exciting platform for those of us who are starting playing around with food combinations, for those of us who design anything where food is the material itself. Even if you are a pro already at it, even if you are a seasoned chef, a seasoned food scientist, I think here you might find at least quite a few interesting ideas that you haven't found before. So this website has been around for a while, but if you haven't seen it already, then you should. It's basically a platform where you select your ingredient, you find matching ingredients for that first ingredient, and you create in these new pairings. And basically what they do is they match flavor profiles of different ingredients. We have developed and currently operate one of the world's largest ingredient and flavor database. This unique proprietary data is the basis of FoodPairing's products and services. Our goal is to profile every ingredient in the world. Our basic ingredient pairing algorithm used by chefs and bartenders throughout the world is capable of calculating surprising food and drink pairings. So that's brilliant, and I want to show you their pricing. So you have a free option with, they say, limited selection of ingredients, but as we will see in a moment, it's not really limited, it's quite big already, extensive. With 250 ingredients, you can get pairing for 250 ingredients with €1.50 a month, and then you go up and up again with all the ingredients that they have. So I have signed up. I'm going to show you the free version. This is what you see when you sign up. So let's create a new pairing, for example. And this is what you two can do. They suggest to start with an ingredient. So let's say that you have at least one ingredient in mind that you want it to be the focus of your recipe. And by the way, this can be used by chefs who design dishes, but also by bakers who design new baked goods, or chocolatiers, or candy makers, or bartenders. Anything that you design where food is the material itself, then you can use this website and these pairings for sure. So let's say that the main ingredient of our cocktail, let's say that I'm a bartender, let's say this is basil, just because I really love it. So we start with one, and there it is. There's wild one, but it's unlocked. You have to have the pro. Let's start with plain basil. I'm going to click on the plus, and it's going to be added on my pairing, let's say, platform. Let's add one ingredient to basil and see which flavor profile is paired to basil. So these are all the ingredients that they suggest being matching with basil, and the biggest the green dot, the better the match is. So thyme, cardamom, aniseeds. I love aniseeds. Let's put these. Brilliant. So let's add another one, just because. And let's say that I want fruit now, and I'm going to select fruits here, and you can choose subcategories, or one citrus, or one melons, or whatever. I can choose the type of cuisine, but lemon, grapefruit. I'm gonna go with mango. So brilliant, now I have these pairing, and I can save it, and I can add the new one, whatever I want to do, and I know that I can design a recipe with these 3 ingredients, and I know it's going to be interesting. So, food pairing, I think this is a useful tool to have if you are designing food itself and you want some new ideas with regards to flavor profile itself. And of course they suggest ingredients also based on consistency and texture, etc. I hope you found this interesting, and let me know what you thought about it. As always, thank you for watching, have a lovely day, and happy food design.